which they done a funeral last Monday. One day before, I saw one vision. The lady which died. I didn't meet her, but I saw she is in church and she is a praise and worship, and she wearing a blue suit and she is praising. The next day when I go to the funeral in Chandranatha hospital, and my husband is in job, so he have a problem, he didn't go. So when I will meet the daughter, I asked that I saw your mother and she is wearing a blue suit and she is praising God. But did you prepare for her a blue suit, because this is the color she loved, and she is watching me and she is crying. And then I make a photocopies also the praise song she loves. I say that we will sing this song when during the funeral. But I say that which pastor is coming. She says that we ask Catholic Church, maybe they will come or not, but we don't know. So I say that why you didn't tell me before I will arrange with my church, with our the music ministry and our pastor. And she is watching with me, and she says that because there is a Hindu people also and a Muslim people also. Only we are 5-6 Christians there with my mother and my father. And then I call my husband. I say that no, there is no pastor and there is no bishop or father. So what to do? And even they are, she is crying with her brother and her wife and husband. They are couples. So I go to my father. I say that there is no pastor. No, first I will ask my husband that I will call pastor and our elder. Then my husband says that this is not a time that in half an hour you will call pastor or elder, come and make this funeral. It's not possible that we didn't arrange with the pastor and the elder. So I'm thinking I will keep the dial the number, but I will call. I said no, maybe the pastor is on work and they will elder is busy. So I come to my, I phone my husband. I say that ask your boss that something is happened and you come, but my husband refused. Then I will go to my father and I say, my father, like the kids, I will preach it my father. I say that no, you will on the funeral you will read these verses and pray this or this or this. My father says okay. Then what will happen? The time will come. The bishop will not come from the Catholic Church and the father will not come for the funeral. And the doctors are coming and they want to seal the dead body because they are going to Pakistan. And then I asked my mother and father, I say that my father, you will stand in front of the dead body and I will with you, but I will helping you in prayer. My father says, okay. Then the time will come, the doctor says that we want to close, we make one injection. So I will come in front of, and there are many Hindu and non-Muslim, 45 or 46 people. So I will come in front and I ask my father for like this, the sign now you will, and my father is watching with me like this. I said, what will happen? I ask, and even I myself ashamed. So when I saw the vision, I didn't understand that time what is the God want to do. So I am just confused, and I'm thank God that God is using me. The funeral, there is nobody is there, but at that time in the different nations, I was making a funeral and the prayer and this everything. Because I know according to the Christianity, it's not that a lady because of pastor and a bishop, the man will pray on the funeral. But something is very strange for me that how God used me the day the funeral where there is a one pastor or one man, but there God, my father is also silent, but God is using me. I'm thankful for God this wonderful and something strange in my life. And when I came back to home, and I was very confused that how God used me. And while I was praying on the funeral, all the Hindu and all the nation, they are crying, they are feel the presence of the Holy Spirit. And that time I am missing my elder and my pastor that why the lady, she cannot tell me before and we can arrange with our church. But thanks God that God is using.